Okay, in this video I would like to share about how to make a 12 and 12 meters house modern. First of all, you have to make basic shape of the house with a rotated rectangle. You can type 12,000 millimeters and 12,000 millimeter, or 12 meter and 12 meter in meter units. Okay, and after that you have to make the thickness of this basic shape with is around 300 millimeter. Okay, 300 millimeter. Then you have to make a tape measure tool to make exterior wall, right? Like this, you can set it's around 5,000 and 4,500 millimeter, and you can follow this step. It's around um 33,000 millimeter, right? 3,000 millimeter right here. And after that, you can make another wall position. It's around 1,500 millimeter, right? Then, and after that, you have to make simple wall path with the line. You can follow this step carefully, and you can close the line. You have to make offset it inside. It's around 150 millimeter, right? Then you can delete unnecessary object, and you can push it up until 3,500 millimeter, and just make it group anyway. Then after that, you can make barrier wall, like right here. You can make a barrier wall with rotated rectangle, and just set the width with 150 millimeter, right? Okay, and it's you can push it up any height of any size of the height, and you can push it down until it touches the ground, right? Then you can cut this pavement floor right here. You can cut this pavement floor right here anyway. Then, and after that, you can make rectangle to make pavement floor to make pavement landscape right here. Then you can extend this some area of the pavement floor with push and pull, and just adjust it for some area, right? Just adjust for some area, and you can see the difference level between the main house, and the pavement or landscape anyway. And then you have to make divide between indoor floor and semi outdoor floor right here. And after that, you have to make roof with a rectangle like this. Okay, and just push it up. Okay, and just push it up, and push it to the front, something like this, and just make it extended roof or canopy. Then you can make adjustment about this roof anyway. Okay, something like this. Then you can see the difference. Or if you feel the wall is too low, you can adjust it to make it higher with the move tool. And first of all, you have to adjust. You have to select this top area only and move it up. It's around 1,000 millimeter more. You can adjust it, and with the push and pull tool, something like this. And you can make more proportional than before about the exterior front facade. and then you can make another canopy to cover the semi-outdoor area, something like this. Then you can make another side to that you can extend, right? Okay, maybe you can see the difference. You can make it group, and now you can see the difference. And now you can see the difference object than before. Okay, and then you have to make an some opening window right here. You have to make some opening. Just use rectangle. Then you can adjust for any size and just push it back until it clear. And you can make a window, large window right here. You can adjust the frame. It's dependent on your taste or as logic as possible about the frame thickness, and just set the frame width, right? And then you can make a divider frame, right? You can make a divider frame right here to make it more complex and realistic look like for the house. And you can divide, you can duplicate it. Then press click and press control to duplicate, and just click on this end of goal and just set the 5 slash and press enter, right? Then and then you can rotate and copy. You can rotate and duplicate with this tool. Just click and rotate, then type 90 degree of the rotation angle. Okay, then you can set it to the center of the window frame right here. You can move it to the center of the window frame and just make it unique. And you can adjust the length of the vertical divider, something like this. And after that you can make a glass object with a rectangle option. You can set the thickness of the glass and make it group, and just complete it all to all space of the window, right? It just fill to all of the window space. And you can adjust the material with this tool, and you can adjust the color and adjust the opacity area. Then and after that you can make a door opening right here. You can set the any size and any height of the door opening on the door as you want anyway, with this same method on the previous step. And you have to make a frame with a line right here, and just complete it until it got three side of the line. And then you have to offset it inside. It's around 60 millimeter to get more thickness of the frame. And just erase it and push it back to make a width of the door frame anyway. And then you can make simple door leaf, and just set the width of the door leaf. It's around maybe 50 millimeter, and then just position it on the proper position to the door frame. And after that you can make material. You can make a frame material with the color. You can select the dark material of iron or aluminum, something like this. Okay, and you can set this also, and just select maybe you can select synthetic surface for more modern look like anyway. Then after that you can make another variation of the canopy. You can extend it to the front, right? You can extend it to the front and just extend it also, and make it uh, logic logical as logic as possible. And you can make another variation of the skylight of the canopy, maybe the skylight of the canopy, something like this. You can duplicate the skylight basic shape right here and just select the value of the skylight and just push it up until it clear. Anyway, then you can see the shape then better than before. Okay, and you can make skylight glass anyway. Okay, maybe something like this. You can make a skylight glass, and after that you can make the house facade is more detailed with the profile. You can make the facade is more detailed. You can use a follow me and line tool right here. You can select the path of the line path, and then you can follow me. Just click it and make it group. And after that you can adjust the material. You can maybe you can set the stone, or you can select another interesting material anyway. Okay, in this part you can select cladding, or maybe you can use this material, or you can use another material, something like this. And after that you can add some more architectural element in this front of the house right here. Then you can set up the more complete material, and if you didn't like the color, you can adjust it more. Okay, you can adjust the material to be more realistic, to be more impressive anyway. Then and after that, if you wanna make a difference with landscape, you can set up this area. You can set up this area with the line tool and offset tool right here, and then you just set the landscaping to be more realistic look like anyway. Then you can set up the pavement with appropriate material also. You can use this material maybe, and if you didn't like the color, you can edit it with the RGB tool and just move it all to the left side and just set the brightness of the color right here. Okay, then if you didn't like this material of the facade, you can select this more natural look like anyway. You can see it and just set the material on a little bit in behind of the house, right? Okay, if you wanna edit some profile of the house facade, you can use some more dark material like this, and you can set up the another wall or another element with this material anyway, so it more look like different. Okay, after that you can make another different material by the main wall. You can create some material for a more interesting color. Maybe you can set up the unique name and just assign it first in the object, this object, and then you have to divide for all appropriate material, right? You can set up this color to be more impressive anyway. maybe you can use it to be more look impressive, and you can adjust the terrace area, and you can modify the floor. You can modify the floor to be more attractive anyway. Maybe you can use this, sorry, you can use this way to make more impressive floor area. Okay, something like this. And you can make it more detailed. The part of the floor, you can extend it to the front right here, so you can see the different. Okay, so you can see the different between you edit it for the last time right now, and you can add some component to make it more dramatic. You can add car material, maybe you can add car object. Okay, you can use it and just rotate it and type 90-degree rotation. Okay, and you can add more person like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.